Om Tat Sat. My humble prostrations to the all-pervading Brahman, to my worshipful Guruji, Swami Jyotirmayananji Maharaj, to all the sages and saints of this world, and to you, divine souls, watching this satsang. Today we will be studying Sutra number 2 from the Sadhana Pad of the Raja Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, commentary by my Guruji, Swami Jyotirmayananda ji, and narrated by myself, Swami Nikhilananda. So the Sutra number 2 is Samadhi Bhavanartha Klesha Tanu Karanarthascha. Let us repeat. Samadhi Bhavanartha Klesha Tanu Karanarthascha. So Samadhi means super consciousness. Bhavana, Artha is for the success with that feeling. Klesha is afflictions, the 5 afflictions: avidya, asmita, raga, dvesh, and abhinivesh, klesh. We had covered those in the previous sutras. Tanu is attenuated, thinned out state, and karanarthascha, the cause of. Cha is and, karanarth is the cause of. So the meaning of this sutra therefore is that this Kriya Yoga is the cause of action of attaining success in Samadhi and in destroying the 5-fold afflictions that we have. Kriya means action. So when we are taking action to the cause of attaining Samadhi. So in order to attain Samadhi, it doesn't come automatically. So the process is we have to go through these steps to get to that state. What happens is, from an explanation perspective, a yogi reduces the kleshas by the practice of Kriya Yoga. And the 5 kleshas, as we have covered before, we can briefly touch upon them, is avidya, ignorance, asmita, ego, raga, attachment, dvesha, hatred, and abhinivesh klesha, fear of death. So these 5 kleshas are in everybody who has consciousness generally, and the process of samadhi and spiritual expansion is to get rid of these 5 kleshas. So the process of Kriya Yoga helps us do that. This promotes success in samadhi, which leads to intuitional knowledge. Lot of success we get as a result. As a result of this knowledge, pragya, ignorance is removed, and the process of destruction of the kleshas is completed. And that's why we have to do this Kriya Yoga. So therefore we have to practice it with intensity, with devotion and regularity. So all 3 are needed. If we are not regular, we will not succeed. If we are not full in our devotion, we will not succeed. And if our intensity is mild, it will take a long time. So therefore, if we are a serious aspirant, we have to be regular, we have to do it with full intensity and with full devotion. Then the progress will be rapid. It is the key to spiritual advancement. That is how we grow. Samadhi and its fruits have been described already in the Samadhi Pad, and those of you who have followed it know with those 51 sutras. There's a separate playlist on my YouTube channel for those of you who want to rekindle that, or if you have not listened to it, please go there so you can be guided properly in that dimension also. The kleshas are now being described in the following sutras, and we will discuss that in sutra number 3. This is Swami Nikhilananda. Om Tat Sat.